Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a Christmas room tour 2023. And yeah, let's just get started. So I have this Noel sign on my door. This cute little countdown calendar snowman thing. And then right here I have this little piece. I have like a red truck down here with a little duck snowman right there. I have some lights hung up with this nutcracker ornament. Some more things over here, a little Santa, some bows, mirror decals. We have this reindeer right here. I have a Merry Christmas sign over here. I also have an R ornament right there and a snowflake, and then I have my stocking right here. This is what my bed looks like. Bunch of cute pillows and blankets and stuffed animals. There's an overview right there. My Christmas trees in the corner. I keep my Starbucks red cup in here. And then over here we have my current bag. My scarf right there. I'm gonna do a little desk overview. Just some cute things. Snowmen, mugs, gingerbread, candles. Little house, or not house, mailbox. And over here we have some more decor, Grinch stuff, an elf right there. And then over here we just have some nutcrackers, deer, sign that says Merry My Little Trees. And then a sign up there that says Gnome for the Holidays. Sign right here that says North Pole Candy Cane Co. My little Grinch. And yeah, guys, that's the room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.